Hello everyone, Christian Bland here from Planet Ford in Spring. Today we're going to be going over Randall Reed's custom rides. This one we took a black XLT, added a few custom things. On this one in particular we did 35-inch recon grapplers by Nittos. We added the 20-inch fuel wheels, and then we also added a 3.5-inch ready lift. With this package, we're going to offer it on our website, so you can order a truck with this and we can do this package. Now it's going to be customizable, so there's a few things we can change up for you. Now we're also going to have some in stock. Right now I believe we currently have 3 in stock with our Randall Reed's custom package. So the good news with this package, it doesn't void any warranty, so you don't have to worry about taking to aftermarket shop, doing your own lift. This is completely professionally done in-house, voids no warranty. Any questions on these trucks we have in stock or any future trucks, if you want to order one, come see me, Christian Bland. I'll be more than glad to answer your questions, and come by and see us. We're right off 45 in Spring, Texas. Thank you.